Welcome back to AM Northwest. If you have a big event coming up soon and you want to look your best, well, you are in luck because this morning we have anti-aging breakthroughs to get you ready for those big events. Please welcome from Reviance Portland, plastic surgeon Dr. James Chan and his assistant Yvonne Troutman. Nice to have you both here. Dr. Chan, I'm going to start with you and just the importance of planning these kind of procedures because we're learning more and more that there's so many options available and a lot of them quick and easy, but you have to know ahead of time, right?
Yeah, despite all of the advances in plastic surgery and all the breakthroughs, really many of our procedures do require anywhere from weeks to months to recover and really look your best. So if you have an event coming up, make sure you budget the time and you come in and see us so we can customize a treatment plan for you.
Do you have examples of patients who've waited too long or wanted to get ready for a certain event and you had to consider time?
Absolutely, and planning is indeed everything. We do have patients who come to us with a special event coming up only to find out that they may not have enough time to have a procedure done and be at 100%. We have a patient who's planning her daughter's June wedding, and not only is she going to be meeting in-laws for the very first time, but friends and family members that she hasn't seen in 15 years plus. So you can imagine how important it is for her to want to look and feel her very best. So, and the bottom line is this: these are events, whether it's a graduation, a wedding, where lots of photographs are going to be taken. So we have a permanent record that's going to be happening, and whatever we can do to help you plan so you can feel better, look more confident, be more self-assured. If you've got something coming up here in the next month or two, you literally need to be in our office today so we can help with the planning process.
One of the more popular procedures is the Reviance lift. Is that correct?
Correct. So if you have more than a month before your major event, surgery is a great option, especially if it's something you've been thinking about. The Reviance lift, it's a less invasive lift than the full face lift.
And is this what we're seeing here, the before and after of that procedure?
Really looks great.
Correct. It really helps with the lower face and neck area and really does a great job. Very natural looking. Another procedure that is very popular is eyelid surgery, and that's another procedure that takes about an hour. It can be done in the office, and something that if you have a month, you certainly should come in and consider that as a procedure option.
Okay, so if let's say you have about 3 weeks out.
Yeah, so if you
less than a month.
If you have less than a month, laser procedures are great. Laser helps with resurfacing the skin, takes away the fine wrinkles and the age spots, and that's a great procedure that you should consider if you have less than a month. If you only have a week, there are some quick fixes, dermal fillers, Botox, skincare stuff
Let's talk about what a dermal filler will do.
Yes, so dermal filler helps fill in the deep lines and wrinkles on your face. And if you combine that with Botox, you get the commonly referred to liquid facelift. It really helps give you a youthful appearance.
And that's a minimal downtime, is what it is.
Yes, within a week you're ready to go.
How long lasting is that procedure? I mean, do you have to come in for follow-up treatments?
Yes, those are temporary procedures. So you're looking at anywhere from 3 to 6 months having to return if you need a touch-up for that.
And microdermabrasion, how does that help?
So that helps with the turnover of the surface of the skin. So it really helps give you that glow that you used to have in your youth.
And that one is probably one of the less recovery times of all,
yes,
right?
A day or two is all you need for recovery on that.
I think the most important thing is you can only make a first impression once, and so it's important to have enough time, because if having a facelift is the most important procedure for you to have to look your best, and then we have to end up doing something that's less effective. At least there's some things that we can do, but again, I think planning is everything, so we can get you at 100% and do the right procedure for you.
So quickly, the last question: if I come in, I say, I'm worried about the certain wrinkles. Can you tell me what's best, or do I come in and knowing what I need to do? Do I say, I think I need microdermabrasion? Or you say, I think this might work better for you?
If you come in, we'll talk to you and we'll customize a treatment plan based on what you're interested in improving and based on your timeline and based on your budget. There are a lot of factors we take into that.
Very good. And you have a discount too for AM Northwest viewers, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
All right, and if you'd like to find out more about that, give them a call, 503-953-1230. We've got information too on our website at katu.com. Guys, thanks for coming in today.
Thank you
for
very much.
I think we have to start planning.
Yeah, I think so. Don't go away. We'll be right back.